Okay, this is an example. Yes?
Yes.
Let's review.
Okay.
The mass of Nate is 100 kilograms. The mass of Keith is 50 kilograms. The mass of the boat is 200 kilograms. The boat is 5 meters per second. Remember, it was going that way, 5 meters per second, so that's positive. Initial velocity, remember we always say, is positive. Could be negative, but we're going to always agree that the initial velocity is going to be positive, okay? All right. The final velocity of Nate, why is that minus 3?
Because it jumped off the back of the boat.
He jumped off the back that way, 8 meters per second, which is negative, right? So what was his initial velocity? Negative 8. Negative 8, right?
Negative 8.
Negative 8 plus 5, negative 3. And Keith is going to go plus 5. What was his initial? What's Keith's initial? Plus 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's going plus 3 off the front. So plus 3 plus 5 is plus 8. Plugging in here, we know this is true, correct? All right, so this is going to be Nate, Keith, and the boat. I think on the problem, the practice problem, I did Keith, Nate, and the boat. Don't let that confuse you when you're studying tonight. Okay? This is, I just have it written a little differently. This is Nate, Keith, and the boat. Okay. So I just simply factored out the velocity. The initial velocity is the same for all 3 participants. Nate, Keith, and the boat, right? So they're all going to be together. That's going to be the initial velocity of the boat. So that's 350. That's the mass of Keith, Nate, and the boat. Times 5 is plus 1750. And then that's going to be 1750. So let's go to that place right there. Now, so 100 times minus 3. That's Nate off the back, minus 3. Keith off the front, plus 8. And the boat, final velocity of the boat. That's what we're actually calculating. So it comes down to 100 times negative 3 is negative 300. 50 times plus 8 is plus 400. So negative 300 plus 400 is plus 100. Subtracted from both sides, 1650 equals 200 VF. So 1650 divided by 200 is 8.25 plus. Get it? Easy? Excellent.